So you're under contract. You are gonna come back. Listen, if someone punched me in the face and knocked me out 2 months,
We designed the modular's Tri-Strike to deliver 3 times the action. There's an elite dart blaster, bolt action, and slam fire. There's a mega dart barrel extension. You have independent valving that allows you to shoot from any chamber that's loaded. There's a missile launcher stock that can be shot either by hand or shoulder fired. When you pull the slide back, it fills this chamber full of air.
So, hey guys, today I was watching YouTube. I was like, hey, what if I make a video from YouTube on the 10 best Nerf guns? So if you're used to my channel and you want to see the best 10 Nerf guns, just check out this video. And the TV's on right now, so if you hear that, that's all it is. Here, I'll turn it over.
Fully motorized with rotating drum. New Nerf Mega Mastodon. Shoulder strap included. Batteries aren't. It's Nerf or nothing. Introducing the Nerf N-Strike Mega Roto Fury Blaster from Hasbro. Experience the power of Mega with the highest capacity Mega Blaster ever.
Here guys, I'll pause
10
it.
Nerf Mega Whistler darts into the rotating drum. Fire 1 dart at a time. Or slam fire 10 in a row up to 90 feet away. The Nerf N-Strike Mega Roto Fury Blaster is for ages 8 and up and includes 10 Mega Whistler darts. The Nerf N-Strike Mega Roto Fury Blaster from Hasbro. I'm here with Zaire and we're playing with the Nerf N-Strike Elite Demolisher 2-in-1 Blaster. The Demolisher 2-in-1 Blaster fires darts and missiles up to 90 feet. Use the acceleration trigger for motorized blasting. Manually crank the pump action barrel for extreme missile launch.
but anyways,
The Demolisher 2-in-1 is so easy that even my little sister could be able to use
they
this.
gotta have.
With the Demolisher 2-in-1 blasters and Dart Banana Clip, you'll have all the ammo you need to hit multiple targets. I'll show you.
He's the leader, the all-star. He has to speak up. They don't understand the role. Who's going to be the guy?
See guys, the Rhino Fire is okay, it's just jams a lot. That's the only problem. Like, I love the Rhino Fire, I got it last Christmas, and it just jams a lot.
They have to figure out who's going to be the guy.
Stun experts, dude perfect, full of Nerf perfect shots. The all-new Mega Centurion. This one's called Window Shot. The farthest firing Nerf blaster ever.
Now, a sneak attack. That's Mega!
New Mega Centurion. Mega darts for mega distance. Ask your parents. Go to nerf.com.
Easter egg would do perfect to do that.
Shot. Nerf Modulus introduces 2 new blasters you can customize. The Recon Mark II and the Ion Fire. Add additional upgrade kits sold separately for your ultimate customized blasters. And build over 1,000 Modulus system blaster combinations. The new Modulus Recon Mark II and Ion Fire. Blaster and upgrade kits each sold separately. The Nerf N-Strike Elite Rampage Blaster from Hasbro. Kids can get in on high-capacity rapid fire with the N-Strike Elite Rampage Blaster featuring 25 dart slam fire. The blaster features a drum magazine that holds up to 25 elite darts and a slam fire handle with rapid fire action. Slide the slam handle all the way back and then all the way forward to chamber a dart and pull the trigger. Or hold the trigger and slide the slam handle back and forth repeatedly to control your own rate of fire. The N-Strike Elite Rampage Blaster is for kids age 8 and up and comes with a drum magazine that holds up to 25 darts, tactical rails that are compatible with most N-Strike accessories, and 25 elite
My
darts
brother
that
has
shoot up
that
to
dart
75
gun.
feet.
It's really
Additional
good.
magazines,
It
darts, and
hurts.
accessories each sold
Guys, that's a really
The
good
Nerf
gun.
N-Strike
Well, let's
Elite
see.
Rampage
Winter
Blaster from
Nerf
Hasbro.
was
It's
like a
the
little
Nerf
bit of snow in it.
N-Strike Elite
Won't
Rough Cut
really
2x4 Blaster
damage
from
it.
Hasbro. Now kids can blast 2 darts at once, up to 75 feet, to let you lay down twice the fire on any target. Load the elite darts into the front of the rough cut 2x4, pull the slam fire handle all the way back, and push it all the way forward. Then pull the trigger to fire 2 darts at once. Or hold the trigger down and rapidly slide the slam fire handle back and forth for rapid fire. The Nerf N-Strike Elite Rough Cut 2x4 Blaster is for kids age 8 and up and comes with 8 elite darts. The Nerf N-Strike Elite Rough Cut 2x4 Blaster from Hasbro.
Forward to their next chapter.
There you go, guys. Hope you like the video. Don't comment, like, and subscribe. See you in my next.